Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin immediately by enabling Bluetooth on your iPhone and putting the car radio into pairing mode. This is required so both devices can discover each other. Once done, unlock your phone and keep it on the Bluetooth screen. The radio broadcasts a name, or PIN. Make sure the car ignition is at least in accessory power so the radio stays active. If the radio is cluttered with old devices, delete 1 or 2 entries to avoid connection limits and speed discovery. You tap the car's name when it appears on your iPhone. If a PIN shows on both screens, confirm they match. This prevents accidental pairings. After the link is established, accept permission prompts to share contacts and favorites so calls show caller ID and recent numbers sync. Next, check Bluetooth device settings on the iPhone to enable both phone audio and media audio. This ensures voice calls and music route through the car speaker system. If the radio asks which source to use, pick Bluetooth audio. You finish by making a quick test. Place a call and play a song to verify both phone audio and media audio work through the radio. If sound is low, adjust volume on both devices and confirm the radio input is set to Bluetooth. If pairing fails, turn off Bluetooth, reboot your iPhone and power cycle the car radio, then perform a fresh pairing. This clears temporary errors. If problems persist, update the car's firmware, or iOS, because software mismatches often cause flaky connections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.